Welcome to the HotHealth training module on creating or adding groups. In this module, you'll learn how to create and add a group, add users to that group, manage user accounts and ensure secure access to your HotHealth site. Click on the Profile button and select Dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the User Management section and click Groups. This will display the list of existing groups in the system. To add a new group, click Add Group. Enter a group name. Then choose whether users can join instantly or if approval is required by a manager. Once done, click Save. On the group list, click on the group you just created. From here, you can edit or delete the group if needed. To add users to the new group, go to the Users section. Find and select the user you want to add. Click Edit under the User Settings, then scroll to the Groups section. Add the new group and click Save. The user is now successfully added to the group. To find out more about HotHealth, visit our website at www.hothealth.com.